Running a seamless stream demands precision and the right gear. The Razer Stream Controller is engineered for creators who need full control at their fingertips. With a streamlined design built for efficiency, this all-in-one keypad enhances your ability to multitask across programs without losing focus. 12 customizable haptic switchblade keys give you endless macro possibilities. Adjust the tactile feedback to your preference and assign personalized icons so you never lose track of your workflow. The Nostalgia Retro Drink Maker brings a classic touch of soda fountain charm to your kitchen. With its vintage-inspired design, it's not just about making drinks, it's about recreating the magic of old-fashioned milkshakes and malts. This versatile machine is perfect for crafting thick milkshakes, malted drinks, and even health-conscious beverages, making it a fun addition to any home kitchen. Equipped with a 100-watt motor, this milkshake maker offers 2 speeds for precise control over drink consistency. Introducing the iFrameX Pro, a dynamic way to revive your idle tablet or smartphone. This innovative solution breathes new life into your unused devices by turning them into a powerful, multifunctional display. With the iFrameX Pro, your device transforms into a smart hub that shows real-time weather updates, time with a flip clock feature, stock market information, and more. As a seamless interface, iFrameX Pro provides the ability to monitor your calendar, keeping you organized throughout the day, and offering a task board for easy tracking of activities. Tucked into any workspace with ease, this compact cutting machine brings professional-level creativity to your fingertips without demanding a large footprint. With its ability to handle over 50 materials, including vinyl, iron-on, and cardstock, it's the perfect tool for crafting everything from custom decals to greeting cards and labels. Despite its small size, it delivers sharp, detailed cuts and intricate patterns that rival larger machines. Striking a balance between futuristic design and practical function, this speaker redefines what a modern audio device should look and sound like. The Gravistar Supernova doesn't just play music, it turns any space into a performance stage. Housed in a rugged zinc alloy shell with mechanical accents, it's built for both aesthetics and durability. Measuring approximately 5.9 inches in height, this compact unit fits effortlessly on a desk, nightstand, or picnic table. Unleash barista-level results from the comfort of your kitchen with a foam maker designed for precision and performance. Whether you prefer delicate microfoam or dense, spoonable peaks, this device delivers professional-quality results in seconds. Its dual-whisk technology allows for both thin and thick milk foam, ensuring a flawless pour over espresso, cold brew, or matcha. Built to handle up to 24 fluid ounces, this frother suits both single servings and group gatherings. Bring the pulse of the financial world right to your desk with a dynamic display that echoes the charm of vintage trading floors. The ticker meter isn't just decor, it's a real-time window into your stock portfolio, cryptocurrencies, and forex pairs. Crafted for both home and office, this physical stock ticker leverages e-paper technology, providing a crisp, paper-like display that's visible under any lighting conditions while using minimal power. Customize each ticker to stream your favorite tickers with up-to-the-minute accuracy. Life rarely slows down, and managing your health shouldn't fall behind. Skipped medication isn't just a small oversight. It leads to worsened conditions, reduced treatment success, higher medical bills, and added stress. DeFi transforms any standard pill bottle into a powerful AI-assisted system. With LED and sound reminders, smartphone alerts, and even in-app phone calls, you're covered whether you're at home or on the go. Open the bottle within a minute of the scheduled time, and DeFi logs your dose automatically. A keyboard shouldn't just be functional, it should elevate how you work and play. The Melgeek Modern 97 delivers precisely that, with a fusion of speed, customization, and style in one compact machine. Its sleek, see-through body and refined 97-key layout give you full functionality in a tight footprint, all while maintaining the vital arrow keys. A screw-free one-piece build keeps the frame solid yet elegant. From first light to deep dusk, this intelligent home sentinel never rests. Equipped with face recognition, it identifies familiar faces and alerts you instantly to unknown visitors. Its early fire detection system scans for smoke signatures and sudden thermal spikes, giving you precious seconds when it matters most. Safety extends indoors with elder fall recognition, which notifies caregivers the moment a tumble is detected. No delay, no guesswork. Cool evenings call for a clean, efficient flame, and the Disco Fire Pit delivers just that. Built for those who crave heat without the mess, this smokeless fire pit blends rugged function with modern design. Crafted from durable stainless steel and grounded by aluminum alloy feet. It's a tough companion for patios, backyards, or remote campsites. The jet engine-inspired profile and strategic air vents generate a mesmerizing vortex effect, making every fire not just warm, but visually captivating. The Guvis G3. Max revolutionizes your viewing experience with its massive 1,000-inch IMAX-style display, offering a level of immersion that's hard to match. Designed for those who demand the best, it features a dual 2.5K micro OLED screen, delivering crystal-clear visuals with no edge blurriness or screen door effect. With a field of view of 65 degrees and an impressive 120 Hz refresh rate, it guarantees sharp, vivid images from edge to edge. The Akefly 3-in-1 neck traction system is a powerful solution designed to alleviate neck pain and discomfort. Utilizing advanced technology, this device supports the upper trapezius while providing effective traction for the neck. Its dynamic system gently stretches the muscles, helping to release tension and promote relaxation. Ideal for those experiencing stiffness or soreness, the traction mechanism offers a customizable experience. One of the standout features is the 3-level red light pulse heat therapy, which targets deeper muscle layers. This therapy not only soothes tightness, but also improves blood circulation. The Fluid Stance Balance Board is designed for individuals who seek improved posture and an active lifestyle at their desks. Engineered with a 360-degree rocker, this balance board transforms your workspace into a dynamic environment that encourages movement, helping to reduce fatigue and stress. With its anti-slip surface, users can confidently engage in subtle movements while standing, offering a more ergonomic alternative to traditional desk setups. Tough enough to travel and sharp enough to satisfy, the GKD Plus redefines what a retro handheld console can deliver. At just under 6 inches wide and 3 inches tall, it's small enough to slip into a jacket pocket, yet fully packed with serious gaming muscle. This compact powerhouse comes preloaded with over 2,500 classic games, spanning arcade legends, platformers, and vintage RPGs. The Oregon CS1500 chainsaw delivers exceptional power and reliability for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. Featuring a 15-amp motor, this electric chainsaw is designed to tackle tough cutting jobs with ease. Its integrated PowerSharp self-sharpening system offers a significant advantage, allowing you to quickly sharpen the chain in just 3 to 5 seconds, keeping you productive without unnecessary downtime. With an 18-inch guide bar, the CS1500 is ideal for a wide range of tasks, from pruning to tree cutting. A leap forward in laser measurement tools, the M-Cube modular system blends precision with adaptability, built for serious users in construction, architecture, and interior design. Unlike fixed-function devices, this system is centered around the 00 M-Cube main unit, delivering fast laser feedback with a 164-foot range and pinpoint plus or minus 1/16 inch accuracy. CyberCore by Albica redefines the way we charge and store VR devices, blending cutting-edge technology with sleek design. This next-gen VR charging dock brings unparalleled fast charging, delivering up to 120 watts of power to all your VR equipment. As a global leader in VR charging, CyberCore ensures that your devices are powered up quickly and efficiently, so you're always ready for the virtual world. Beyond its impressive power capabilities, the CyberCore offers a creative solution for organizing your VR setup. In a world where conversations carry weight, discretion is power. The NG4200 PhoneSafe Summit understands that silence isn't just golden, it's essential. Built with acoustic integrity in mind, this advanced privacy device suppresses audio surveillance with a dual interference system targeting both bottom and top microphones. By generating non-filterable ultrasonic frequencies, completely inaudible to the human ear, it neutralizes all known smartphone listening capabilities without breaking any laws. The Yaber Pico T1 mini projector is a breakthrough in portability and performance. Developed over 3 years by Yaber's R&D team, this compact device is designed for effortless travel. Its built-in power bank ensures you can enjoy your content anywhere, even without access to an external power source. Equipped with advanced DLP technology, the Pico T1 delivers impressive brightness with 110 ANSI lumens, double the brightness of typical mini projectors. A quiet force working behind the scenes, this all-in-one system transforms your environment with unmatched efficiency. Instead of relying on traditional water sources, it extracts water from the air, delivering mineral-rich hydration purified through advanced UVC sterilization. Each drop passes through a meticulous multi-stage process, ensuring the water not only tastes clean but is truly clean at the molecular level. No plumbing, no refills, just seamless atmospheric conversion into fresh drinking water. The Sam & Johnny open-ear headphones are engineered to provide exceptional sound quality and comfort with the latest in audio technology. These headphones leverage Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity for seamless pairing, ensuring a stable and powerful connection with your devices. Featuring innovative bone and air conduction dual speakers, the headphones deliver a unique listening experience that keeps you aware of your surroundings while offering crisp, clear audio. The magnetic microphone enhances the clarity of calls, making them ideal for hands-free conversations on the go. Never miss a moment to look sharp, even when time isn't on your side. The Handyman by Manscaped is engineered for efficiency with a powerful lithium-ion battery that delivers up to 60 minutes of cordless trimming. Running late? A 5-minute quick charge delivers just enough power to freshen up fast. No excuses. Built for movement and mobility, this pocket-sized grooming tool travels light and trims tight. Whether you're prepping for a sudden weekend trip or a last-minute event, the Handyman slips into your DOP kit. Crafted for urban movement, this helmet redefines versatility for cyclists and scooter riders alike. Engineered with an innovative collapsible design, it compresses to nearly half its original size. Ideal for tight backpack storage, lockers, or desk drawers. It's built to serve both men and women, blending convenience with advanced protection for everyday commuting. Safety meets visibility with ultra-bright integrated lights, enhancing your presence whether you're pedaling through pre-dawn streets or cruising home after dark. Engineered for peak productivity, this modular control system elevates your entire setup with precision and style. Built for content creators, streamers, and tech professionals, it combines tactile finesse with customizable control. Whether you're editing video, mixing audio, or managing a multi-cam stream, each button, dial, and fader responds instantly to your workflow. The customizable keys and faders can be mapped to your exact preferences, turning complex software actions into a single touch. The Lenercom Energon Max Portable Power Station redefines convenience and reliability for off-grid power solutions. Boasting an impressive 3,686 watt-hour capacity, it delivers a robust 3,600 watt output with 5 120-volt AC outlets, making it ideal for both home use and outdoor adventures. Whether you're powering up electronics, lights, or appliances during a power outage or exploring remote camping sites, the Energon Max ensures that you stay connected and powered up. The Toro 2-stage 26-inch 60-volt Max Flex Force Power Max Snowblower is designed to make clearing heavy snow easier and more efficient. This powerful electric model clears up to 30 car spaces, tackling up to 10 inches of snow with the help of two 7.5 amp-hour batteries. Crafted with heavy-duty steel construction, it ensures durability and longevity in demanding snow removal tasks. The robust frame, housing, deflector, and chute make this blower a reliable choice for years of use. Elevate your home's atmosphere with a sleek, modern frame that blends timeless design with digital convenience. The PhotoShare 8-inch Wi-Fi digital picture frame in black wood delivers elegance and function, displaying cherished memories in vivid 1080p HD on a responsive touchscreen. Built to hold over 5,000 photos thanks to its 8GB internal memory, this frame transforms any space into a rotating gallery of personal moments. Living better begins at home. Ultra-Human Home advances home technology into new territory, delivering personalized environmental health insights to elevate how you live and rest. Sleek yet powerful, it monitors the crucial elements: air quality, temperature, humidity, light, and noise to reveal how your environment shapes your health. For the first time, home health data links directly to your lifestyle, identifying passive factors like PM, CO2, and formaldehyde that impact your health over time. The Theku Neck Cooler offers an innovative way to stay cool and comfortable in any environment. This personal cooling device is designed to provide immediate relief during hot weather or hot flashes, ensuring you stay calm and productive. Equipped with advanced cooling technology, the device lowers your body temperature, helping to reduce discomfort caused by excessive heat or sudden temperature changes. The Davoom Backpack M is a unique fusion of style, functionality, and innovation, designed to cater to the needs of anime enthusiasts and motorcyclists alike. With its customizable LED screen, this backpack offers a perfect blend of practicality and creativity, allowing users to express themselves through personalized animations and messages. Whether for anime raves, bike rides, or simply making a statement, this feature adds a touch of individuality to the bag. Kase brings a refined approach to managing your creative data. Designed for photographers, videographers, and content creators, this sleek all-in-one storage solution guarantees the protection, organization, and quick access you need to maintain a smooth workflow. Whether you're handling high-resolution files, editing videos on the go, or managing a growing library of images, Kase has you covered with its robust structure and cutting-edge technology. With its lightning-fast transfer speed, this storage unit ensures that you're never held back by delays, giving you more time to focus on your creative vision.